Welcome home to yourself. Today we're doing a short class to align with spirit. You can start kneeling, sitting on a block if that works for you. If not, you can sit in a chair or sit cross-legged, whatever works best for you. The intention is to have the spine straight so all the chakras are aligned. We're going to start with alternate nostril breathing. So you can take your right hand, place your first two fingers on your third eye, close your right nostril, breathe in through your left nostril. Close left, breathe out right. Breathe in right. Close right, breathe out left. So continue with that. Be very gentle with your breathing and gentle with your hands on your nose as you continue with your alternate nostril breathing. As you breathe alternately through your nose in Thunderbolt pose, I have a quote for you from Matt Kahn. Whether as a catalyst for awakening or as a way to discover the passion, happiness, inspiration, and excitement dwelling within you, each spiritual aspiration is fulfilled by cultivating greater integrity in your heart, which begins by slowing down the pace of your life. It is natural to feel hesitant about approaching your life in a more relaxed and gentle way. When run by an inflamed personality, it can be easy to believe that the best opportunities may pass you by if you don't do everything in your power to keep up. In a world where people have been conditioned to accomplish tasks by any means necessary, the purpose of your journey is to learn how to be as aligned with your spirit as you are inspired, thriving, and productive. As slowing down occurs, you will find yourself more spiritually aligned with the flow of the universe, so you can take your time with each step forward. This helps you to make more inspired, heartfelt decisions while growing in a way that allows your innocence to feel safe. Okay, so the next time you breathe out through the left nostril, you're going to lower your hand down. Feel the alignment, the balance, the spiritual alignment here. Feel how it's slowed you down. And then we're going to move into cat pose. So you're going to exhale, round up through your back, and inhale, arch through your back. You could always continue this sitting on a chair if knees and wrists are an issue. So feel the femininity, the fluidity, and the intuition in your body as you move in this pose. Go to the side. And come back to center. We're going to just add some rotation here. So you're going to hold on, put your hand behind your head and rotate to your wrist and then open. So slow down and align with your spirit, and you'll feel yourself more spiritually aligned with the flow. And let's do that on the other side. Hand behind your head, elbow to wrist, inhale up. Press into the floor. And then you're going to come into tiger pose. So feeling the strength of connecting with the feminine qualities of slowing down and aligning with spirit. And it really takes the courage of the tiger to do that. So right leg comes back and then forward. So arch up as you look up and exhale round as you come down. And then let's switch sides. The courage to slow down and align with spirit. And then coming all the way down onto your belly. We're going to come into Locust Pose on our belly. So you're going to take your hands down by the side of your body. Roll your shoulders back and up. Reach your legs long and lift your chest off of the ground. Reach your legs off the ground. So locusts are symbolic as wisdom keepers, and we are wise women. We can trust our spiritual wisdom. Most of us have been practicing yoga for decades, so we can expand into our wisdom in this pose and experience ourselves as wise women. Okay, we're going to slowly lower down, and then we'll push ourselves up and come into downward facing dog and make our way up to standing. Okay, from standing, we're going to do some eagle pose. So eagles soar above. They've got the connection between heaven and earth. And they can slow down and really have a great perspective to take everything in with discernment. So let's stand on your left foot. Or actually, there's lots of ways to do it. So you can bring your feet together, elbows together, and sit down like this. That's a great way to do it. Or you can stand on your left foot. You can cross your right leg over and bring your left arm up. Bring your right arm together or hook it underneath. Backs of the hands together or palms together. So lots of choices for this pose. And then you can release this down, finding the balance of slowing down and aligning with spirit in this pose. And let's do that on the other side. So either bringing the feet together, squatting, elbows together, hands together, or you can cross the left leg over the right this time, and elbows together, or left under right, backs of hands together, or palms together. And then you're going to release that from your body, and we're going to come back down to sit in Thunderbolt pose to align our chakras again for that thunderbolt of energy through our body. Or you can sit in a chair for this. Okay, coming back into the alternate nostril breathing. So with the right hand, first two fingers on the third eye, which is a very calming marma point. The calmer we are, the easier it is to align with spirit. So let's close our right nostril, breathe in through the left nostril. Close left, breathe out through the right. Breathe in right. Close right, breathe out left. And continue with that in your own rhythm and pacing, while I read you that quote from Matt Kahn again about aligning with spirit. Whether as a catalyst for awakening or as a way to discover the passion, happiness, inspiration, and excitement dwelling within you, each spiritual aspiration is fulfilled by cultivating a greater integrity in your heart, which begins by slowing down the pace of your life. It is natural to feel hesitant about approaching your life in a more relaxed and gentle way. When run by an inflamed personality, it can be easy to believe that the best opportunities may pass you by if you don't do everything in your power to keep up. In a world where people have been conditioned to accomplish tasks by any means necessary, the purpose of your journey is to learn how to be as aligned with your spirit as you are inspired, thriving, and productive. As slowing down occurs, you will find yourself more spiritually aligned with the flow of the universe, so you can take your time with each step forward. This helps you take more inspired, heartfelt decisions while growing in a way that allows your innocence to feel safe. So the next time you breathe out through your left nostril, you can bring your palms together at your heart. Whatever goodness we have generated from our practice, we dedicate it to the happiness and welfare of all.